Weche mag jotich. Jagoro maduong' mar riwruog jotich Francis Atwoli okwayo weg kembe mag majan mondo tii kod jopiny e pono majan kar tiyo kod Masinde ma nyasani, kowacho ni mano mayo jopiny thuolo mag tije. Ka otwak kod jofwamb weche apisi mar e bor Nairobi, Atwoli wacho ni tiyo asasa kod Masinde weche mag pur bende duoko piny osuru ma piny owacho choko e kembe makamago, ka ipimo kod osuru ma piny owacho nyalo choko ka jotijego timo tijgi. Atwoli bende osewe kembe man kod tim mar tamore miyo jotije magi orak, kolero ni wach makamano kendo jotich kama ng'aw.
Formal employment is being eaten into by technology and other technology that we can avoid to create employment, like mechanization in tea, plucking. We can avoid that. There are a lot of areas that we can avoid, like what the Pakistan did, and other countries like Malaysia. If you go to those countries that are developed, Sri Lanka in Colombo, they are also involved in tea plantations. China, their tea is manually plucked for the purposes of keeping employment. It's only in extensive agriculture where employment can be obtained. So we have been consulting. And in this country, we have equally written to His Excellency the President, alerting him on precarious employment, particularly outsourcing. Outsourced people. Most companies are converting their employees into casuals without contracts. And this will deny government revenue. About 40% of our total revenue is lost through precarious employment.